Kundang.
Pay attention to your steps. If this falls, your life is at stake. Hurry up. Come on, hurry.
Every day, I have to deal with a storm and don't know or fate tomorrow. I must be rich person live like this.
Hahaha, never mind. You can like Mr. Saudagar. Use just an errand. The graph in your dreams. Hahaha.
Talking time, Malin Kundang is not just nonsense. Now he has turned into a wealthy merchant who has large subordinates and ships.
Over all this trip, you will stop here for a long time.
My business is now more smooth thanks to your supply, Malin.
I also thank you. You have touched me.
You really did. Tell your diligent and rich who is the love woman who has accompanied you, son Malin.
If the place is still empty here, never thought of before. It was difficult to find a woman in accordance with my wishes.
What kind of woman do you want? Beautiful, kind of the same caste as you.
Of course, I'm very happy if there is a woman like that, sir.
Of course there is. Son Malin, my only daughter, has reached and adult and is time to get married. You will definitely be very harmonious in the latter, Malin.
This year can, of course, I'm very grateful if I can marry you soon.
Until finally, a massive party was held at the residence of the nobleman. Everyone was present to attend the Malin Kundang wedding.
Come to your wedding party if your parents are here.
Yes, but unfortunately, this party has said differently. You never returned when he was going to see when I was a child. Your mother had it for a long time.
I'm sorry, honey. Your parents must be happy in heaven to see our marriage.
Are you Malin? Mother miss you so much. Seems you the there isn't a letter you sent in. Are you okay, son? Can you survive in the overseas land far away?
Rubaya is Malin Kundang's mother. She can only let go of longing by staring at Malin Kundang toy a small. The mother often goes to the beach just to wait for the ship to come. Hearing the person's words, Mande Rubaya was immediately sad. He returns everly but the fight of his son who never had news, who could has hope for all this time. One of the residents gave news to Mande Rubaya, bringing Malin Kundang has succeeded in the overseas land, even a wife of the noble daughter. Word got out if in the new future Malin Kundang would come to the island to go home. How happy Wal's mother heard the news. Longing and prayers that sad had been praying would soon be realized. One day, the ship was in anchored. Fagueli Mande Rubaya saw the figure of his son from a distance. Malin Kundang ship has sailed to his first flight of residence. It is true what the foreigner said.
Maybe tomorrow we'll arrange the destination, later we will stop at the place for some time.
So long, honey. Aren't the residents in the past only briefly?
In the place of spices is very cheap. I want to play and I will get in other place a pretty high price. There is also a beautiful view. You will definitely like it.
I don't go to the olive and the flag.
The magnificent large ship has entered, everyone flocked to welcome and witness who the owner of the ship was. Rubayah's betting also come enthusiastically to welcome the arrival of Malin Kundang. With all his strength, he crammed through the ranks of the people who come first. Malin Kundang and his wife got off the ship. Everyone was stunned to see Malin Kundang, who had changed. Now he is a wealthy merchant and beautiful wife.
Rubaya, let us see Bill come.
Malin! Malin, my son! Malin, my son! You wrecked my son? Why did you not give news so long?
Who is that, honey? This is ugly woman. Is your mother? Is your mother is nobleman and already?
Of course not. Look like the crazy person who thought I was his son.
Son, I'm your mother. There's no way you forget about mother.
Oh dear, did your parents die?
Yes, right. My parents have did stay away from me. An old grandmother. Don't pollute my clothes with your city hands.
How could you, son?
Don't you claim to be my mother? My mother is a beautiful and wealthy woman. She is very dead and dirty parent like you are currently not my mother.
Previously, when the Dave was still a child, he often played on the beach to wait for the return of his father. Because he often ran to and fro, he fell. His hands were hit by a stone to make a deep wound. The mother, who is worried, also takes care of the deaths of Kundang with attention and affection. When morning came, a boat owned by a rich merchant who was anchored near Malin Kundang. He was very interested in the active on the ship. Malin Kundang immediately came home to see her mother. With a heavy heart, Made Rubayah finally allowed Malin Kundang to leave. A small Dave left with the merchant. Seeing that, the Dave was getting angry and left the place with his wife. He saw the Dave ship further. Made Rubayah did not expect the Dave he used to be the heart to do that. His heart was so sore and painful. His hands are lifted into the sky, then fly with his heartless heart.
Malin, my son. Oh my God, I'm very sure he is my biological kid that I raised with love. Even if he is not my child, I forgive his attention.
On the Malin Kundang ship, bad things will happen to him. Instantly the weather turned dark. It rained heavily. Seen lightning strike in various directions. Come a great storm hit the Malin Kundang ship. All the crew of the ship extraordinary scared. Big waves have appeared from a distance as if preparing to hit the Malin Kundang ship. When the magnificent land is destroyed without a trace, leaving only one lifeboat used by the Dave to save themselves. He fought against the waves to get to the beach.
Is this a punishment from God for me? All the things I have been destroyed. Mother, forgive me. Those who have been ugly to you, forgive Malin, mother.
However, it was too late. Slowly the body of the Dave Kundang hardened and turned into a stone. He rapped, what he has been afraid of regret is now meaningless.